Hello, everyone. Welcome to the presentation of the Digital Challenge Mapping Tool for Citizen Engagement in Just Energy Transition in Central Europe. A digital tool that has been developed in the context of the EU Interreg Central Europe program, JETforCE. My name is Miroslav Polzer, and I'm the Executive Director of the International Association for the Advancement of Innovative Approaches to Global Challenges. And our organization has been invited to be a partner of the JET4CE consortium. And based on the work that we have done so far in the field of citizens' engagement, empowering everyone everywhere to take meaningful and rewarding action for the common good. And our flagship initiative is the Global Challenges Action Empowerment Ecosystem partnership with GLOTCHA, with culture, technology, and organizational innovation as key pillars of our work. And with this, our expertise, we have joined this consortium of 12 project partners in 9 Central European countries. And we are looking all together on how to use digital innovation, digital tools in combination with social innovation to engage citizens effectively in programming and implementing just energy transition programs in Central Europe. Uh, the just energy transition is a very important endeavor, and it's needed and it's very positive, but there are also potential negative effects, especially on a vulnerable group, elderly people, people with an employment structure in the rooted in the fossil fuel industry, energy poor communities, ethnic minorities. And this vulnerable and marginalized group need to be integrated and need to be set up communication channels with these groups so that they can voice their concerns, contribute their grassroots insight, and also come up with action proposals. So it is our challenges mapping tool is a web-based participatory platform that empowers citizens to identify, localize, and report challenges related to the just energy transition in their regions. It integrates Google Maps, and it builds on the data science expertise of our team for transparent, secure data collection. And the tool, the concept of challenges mapping as a citizens engagement mechanism has been developed by us in the context of the UN Climate Change Framework Convention, Action for Climate Empowerment Program, and it's now being expanded to all Central European countries. A beta launch has been started in September 2023, and then there has been implementation in 9 partner countries, and there are digital ambassadors who bridge, who add the social component really for reaching the vulnerable groups, reaching the low digital literacy users. And here's also the link, GLOTCHA minus challenges minus mapping minus iaai.web.app. And here a functional systemic overview of what the role of the challenges mapping tool is. There is this group of citizens and vulnerable groups which need to be integrated into just energy transition alliances, a key deliverable and outcome also of the JET4CE project. And there are then developed just energy transition strategies and action plans and new citizens engagement methodologies. And the challenges mapping tool is really here to channel and to enable the flow of actionable information and ideas towards this just energy transition alliances on the local and transnational level, supporting awareness raising and helping with community formation around these challenges that are identified. And digital ambassadors, as was said before, are the ones who bring these tools and these communication opportunities to the vulnerable groups. Here, walk through the platform. It's the landing page when you enter the URL. And first step is that you log in, create a profile by entering email address and the password. And then there are several functions. It's challenges mapping, challenges reporting, and localization of a challenge, specification, who is concerned or affected by a certain just energy transition challenge. What is it exactly? When has it been materialized, or where is it happening? How is the problem structured, or how is the solution structured? Users of the platform can vote, upvote challenges reports, they can comment on them, and the whole platform is multilingual. The tool automatically recognizes the language in the location where the user is based. Otherwise, if this is disabled, people can also enter location information manually. And then the challenges report page can be browsed based on the type of challenge. We have chosen six types of challenges: delivery of energy services, energy poverty, citizen engagement, cross institutional cooperation, and then justice, inequality, and uncategorized. So people can, an open category where people can submit challenges. And it's also possible to scroll to look at the challenges based on the countries where these challenges have been reported. And this is the page where uh, the user can localize and specify and then submit own challenges reports. There is the localization part with Google Maps. Then there's the text section uh, using also the type of challenges, selecting the type of challenge, and then videos or photos that are visualizing the problem or the action potential can be uploaded as well. Uh, the user can set up an individual profile, a dashboard page where it is then visible which reports have been submitted, how many comments, upvotes it has received. And so this is the tool. It has been deployed in all nine participating JETforCE partner countries. And we have received, let's say, something like 200 submissions, and these inputs has then been used for the formation of just energy transition strategies, action plans, and the whole principle that we have here as a conceptual, global conceptual framework and reporting standard for the identification, localization, and specification of challenges with citizen science and Web3 technology tools. This has been presented also at the Global Goals Conference in Utrecht, at the University of Utrecht in the year 2024. It has been presented at the Summit of the Future in September 2024 at the UN headquarters in New York, and also at our local Action for Global Challenges conference at the UN headquarters New York in September 2025. And we have also digital innovation pavilions at the UN climate conferences, and there it has been also presented and developed further. And so this opportunity that we have had here with JETforCE was really unique. We have come from conceptualization to implementation to testing our beta version of the tool and also then the final version of the JETforCE tool. But we have also got feedback and learnings that help us now to come to a challenges mapping tool 2.0 version, which we are developing this year. Also with the Long Beach City College Public Health Department in California. They are going to use our challenges mapping tool in their curriculum for public health workers. And they will go with the students mapping public health challenges in relation also with the preparations for the LA 2028 Summer Olympics and our app and corresponding Global Challenges Action Registry that we are developing now as part of the CMT 2.0. This will be used for issuing of micro-credentials and in general for a citizen science platform that can be used by universities. So it's a huge development that was enabled by JETforCE. We are going to have a Glotcha Good Life for All Global Youth Mobilization Campaign Festival in August this year in Austria, in Bleiburg. And if anybody is interested in contributing to the further development and deployment of our tool, we would be very happy to have a conversation around this. Here, our profiles, LinkedIn profiles of myself, Miroslav Polzer, and also of Hossein Hassani, one of the world's leading data scientists who is part of our extended team and who has also led the programming, the software development for our challenges mapping tool. And the message is your voice in your map. It's a basis and it's a core element of our transition. And please get involved. The world needs you, and together we are strong. And thanks again, Interact Program, JETforCE Project Consortium, for this opportunity to develop these tools and to building a better future and a better world together.